Hi, good morning. Today we are working on doing a drywall repair. Remember when I took the towel ring and moved it to, power surge. I moved it to a different location and I was left with the wall anchors in the wall. Now it's time to take care of that. And I can do it a couple different ways. I can either bash the wall anchors in so they're just slightly below the surface of the drywall, or and then skim coat over them, or I can remove them completely. I'm going to start with the easier of the two repairs, and that is to try and bash them in just below the surface and then skim coat over them. Let me show you what I have. Okay, I'm going to be using a 6-inch drywall knife. It's not necessary, but I'm going to use it just because I have one. And at the end of a drywall knife, they're designed to be able to bash with this end, right? That's just what it's made for, so. I think that might be perfect. Yeah, they're just right below the surface of the wall. So that'll be perfect. Now we'll just add a little bit of mud. And what I'm going to be using is just some all-purpose joint compound. Nothing special, nothing fancy. I could use spackling. This is just what I have, so just grab a little bit, doesn't matter. And you're gonna kind of want to make it a little high. Okay, now we gotta let it dry. And we'll sand it a little bit and go from there. So let's wait on it drying. Our drywall repair is completely dry now, and the only thing I'm going to do is hit it with a little sanding block. And, kind of do it in an X pattern so you don't end up with grooves or dips or anything in your, but there it is. The drywall repair has been done. The only thing left to do now is prime and paint. So, I know you can barely tell. But there you have it. Our drywall has been repaired. Thanks for watching.